Hey guys, Ashley Pederson here with Promo Realty, and have I got a home for you? I am standing in front of 4816 Hampstead Gate. Beautiful home, gorgeous stamped concrete patio in the front and walkway. Inside, you're going to see the beautiful hardwood floors. It's main level living, 3-car garage. The primary suite has an extra room that could be used as a nursery or used as an office space. Very well taken care of. A sunroom off of the kitchen, and the kitchen has been nicely updated. There's double ovens in there. It's just a very functional home. So sit back and enjoy the tour.